I'm just looking for one to pull out from this fire station right here.
Oh, that's a big black cloud.
Yeah, it is. Look like it's gonna get half a Chevy.
Oh, damn.
Don't it, woman? Don't it? Blue clump?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like it's gonna rain all over town. Where is the Pizza Hut?
You know where it is.
I don't think I've ever been there.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Is it on Main Street?
Hmm? Yes.
It is.
Yeah.
I've been there, but I wasn't impressed with it, sir, because I can't remember. Pizza Hut. I've been there.
Where it's at?
Tell the truth, no. I think it's on Main Street up here.
I had never seen it.
Walker says it is.
Huh?
Walker says it is. It is on Main Street.
Look at that cloud, boy. Do we gonna have a tornado watch there?
I don't know, buddy. It looks bad, but they say it's not going to be severe because of the weather, because of the temperature and stuff. Mother, I'm going to pull up to the door and let you out. Then I'll park. And Walker, you can get out and go with her. I'm going to park it right over here.
Planet Fitness.
No, we still got some more, but I got to stop a minute. Walker's wearing me out. He does 3 machines to my 1.
4 machines.
Till he's done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've done 3, he's done 7. You're good, Walker. I don't even feel like driving right now. Just don't.
Yeah, me too.
No. I don't feel that bad. I don't feel that bad. Walker, what do you want to do next?
I don't know. Y'all not doing no running on these things?
We'll go down this aisle. Do some more. I'm going to do that rolling thing one time. You do too much on your shoulders.
Walker needs to work on something that pulls him up and works on
Yeah.
the tummy. How start machine would that be?
There's some things down there where you got to bend over and stuff, and that's really good.
Or it'd be something to pull back on.
Yeah. Ears are ringing.
Huh?
My ears are ringing. You watching me, Walker? Watching me, Walker?
Yeah.
All right. I did 15.
What you doing now?
Huh?
What are you doing now?
I'm resting. I'm pushing it. Do it again. Ready?
Yeah.
15 again.
Yeah.
Got one more time. One more time. Right.
Yep. Yep.
What time is it, I wonder?
Look at that, clouds.
Huh? Let me find the Pizza Hut, Walker.
What Pizza Hut?
Where
Let's
is it?
have him come. I'm on video Walker working out.
Yeah.
He's hot as now by a hotel.
Do what?
Nothing. That was Waffle House we could always eat.
They ain't sold that damn $50,000 Chevy yet. I don't think they gonna sell it.
Yes, I am.
He ain't got his lights on.
Weird.
Hey,
Hey,
what?
what do you think about it?
Well, I think I need to look at the numbers before I get down on the machine. You said it was 40. I got on it. And damn, it's the heaviest 40 pounds I ever lifted. I did it twice, and I thought, shit. Let me look at that thing. It's 110, 120. I can't remember. Damn, no wonder. I'm giving out of breath. You trickster. Shit, boy, I got Pappy tired. Gonna hurry.
Do you just see lightning?
No, was it lightning?
Yeah.
Where'd you see
I
it?
caught El Campbell.
Up there? Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, good. That's the first time I've tried to catch
Walker called
watch
me
lightning. I've been trying to catch a lightning when we lived in Townsend. I never could catch a picture of a lightning. When you was recording and you saw it, was
Where
it
is
sharp
it?
lightning, Walker?
Where is the Pizza Hut?
It just. Oh my God.
Just blinked. It didn't come down, did it?
No.
It just blinked behind that cloud.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we ain't got no.
See if he can get some more.
I don't know about this.
I don't know about this. I'm looking for the Pizza Hut.
I don't ever remember seeing a Pizza Hut.
There it is, right yonder.
Where?
Right there next to Highway 55.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't know where it is.
Because I'm going to pick up pizzas for dinner.
For lunch, you mean? If we eat this time of day, we won't even be hungry tonight. Let's go in there and get one of those fancy pizzas. What do you
That's what?
Get one of those they advertise on TV.
A big New Yorker?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I want to
You gonna get him just a small pizza? Just a pizza by itself. You don't really need a whole pizza. Huh? You gonna get him a New Yorker?
I'm going to get us all a damn New Yorker, Frank.
Okay.
What do you think?
Super duper. That's great.
Mammy, you need to be nice to Pappy.
I'm nice to him.
That's right.
I'm so nice to him. I'm as nice to him as he's been to me. What do you think about that?
No, you No, you have not.
Is it raining now?
No, it's just a drizzle here and there. It's maybe gonna rain here in a little bit. I'm gonna take you up to the door. You go in and get those 2 roses and bring them out to the car, and I'll put them in. Take Walker in there with you to help you.
I saw 2 roses.
And I'm
going
going.
in.
Oh, go on in there, Sue.
I can't put them in the truck. We got
Walker.
all our 4th of July stuff.
Well, that's okay. We can get them in there. I want to measure these tables while y'all in there.
Why?
Got damn thing out of the way.
See, they got that metal thing in them.
Where metal? There ain't no metal thing in them. Where you see a metal thing?
Well, it's boats then.
Yes, boats. Yeah.
How
2,
high is
4,
that
6,
off the
8.
ground, Ricky? Is that too high for them to jump up?
No, they can jump up. I saw that lightning.
Huh?
Let's go.
No, I'm going to sit here.
What do you want to get? 2 of those roses like we got yesterday?
Yeah, I'll go get them.
Okay, I'll go with you.
No.
Come on, Walker. Let's go.
No.
Let's go, Walker.
No.
Let's go, Blue.
Yes, it is better.
What do you want from Sonic Walker?
Not telling you.
You want to work at Sonic Walker?
No.
Yeah, cook.
No. Never.
Yes, sir.
Nope.
Walker, you want a sandwich? Huh? You want a sandwich too?
No.
Well, they're so they can see the menu.
I'm not interested in them.
In a sandwich.
I'm not interested in their sandwich, Mammy.
Okay, just Oreo glass.
No.
I don't give a damn.
Wait a minute, let me see what they got.
Look how much further have I got before I hit the wall. Look up there.
This one. Go.
What Sonic's grilled
What the?
Griller combo. Classic cheeseburger featuring char grill glaze. I want one of those chili peppers and that damn shit, what is this? Dorito, is it Doritos? No, Frito wrap, right?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called, Sue?
Yeah. That's what I'll have too, just the junior.
You want a small one?
Yeah.
Me too. Walker, you want one?
What?
A Frito wrap?
Nope.
It's good.
Get him a medium Oreo glass.
Okay, what are you drinking, sir?
And get a Coke, we'll have it.
All right, okay.
Welcome to Sonic. What can I get for you?
I want 2 of those small Frito wraps,
Juniors.
a junior, you know. And I want chili
Medium
peppers.
Oreo glass.
I order a medium of the chili peppers.
Hold on just a second.
You got a lot of them.
Yes, that probably out
Okay.
of them.
All right, we got them. I thought we were out of them. What size do you need?
Just a medium one.
Okay, and you need any sauce with those?
Just a ranch.
Oh, okay.
Did you order
And
his
what else for
Oreo
you?
glass?
I want a Oreo blast.
Medium.
Medium
What size?
Oreo
Okay.
blast, okay.
Did you get a Coke?
And a large Coke.
And what was it?
A large Coke.
All right.
And we got that, okay.
Yeah.
I think that's got our order.
All right. Do you need any picante sauce for those Frito wraps?
Ranch dressing. I got that. Chili peppers, yeah. Got it, okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. I got 2 junior Frito wraps, a medium Oreo cheddar peppers with some ranch, and a medium Oreo blast, and a large Coke. It's going to be $16.79. You have a
Okay.
great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We got it, sir. Welcome pay for it with your app.
Never.
Never.
Give it Peppy.
Look at you, chicken boy.
I didn't eat no breakfast this morning, did you? That's why I'm hungry.
What did I eat? I ate cereal.
Huh?
Hey, Walker. Wow, look at my hair. Damn, what have you done? You messed my hair up. Oh, you messing my hair up. You messing my hair up, Walker.
Me blue wolf.
Huh?
Chicken man.
Chicken man.
Hey, Pappy. Look at that bug. Look at that bug.
Baby bird had their mother.
Yep.
Well,
They're on that light.
on the light.
Okay. When I get home, let me pull up what I thought I said, okay? All right.
Give me a drink.
Right.
Give me a drink. Walker, can you reach it? That's her baby, Walker, and it fell out of the nest.
Why?
Well, they just get big enough to flip around and flip out. She gave it something to eat, didn't she?
Yeah.
Didn't she?
Yeah.
Where's the bird nest? I don't see it up there.
Well, we don't want to get no pizza at this time of day. Just have to come back.
Maybe we'll do it. No. Me too, sir. Walker, help me get out of here. Thank you.
Welcome.
Can I have a drink?
Yeah, let me get another drink. Here, sir.
Thank you.
Walk out there. If you get it back there, I can't bend my arms right there. We got to go anywhere else?
Have you heard anything that become of what they was on there talking about yesterday? About,
Biden?
yeah, Biden and his money.
Nobody said anything about it. The New York Post or Washington paper.
Had nothing been done about it.
Ain't nobody said nothing. They protecting him. NBC, ABC, and CBS are all protecting Joe Biden. And that's
No,
not
I
that's
wouldn't talk about
that's not journalism. That's
what.
It's bad when the newspaper won't even, and the newspaper won't even mention what's going on in Congress unless it's against Donald Trump. That's the only thing they're concerned about.
Well, they see what's happening at the borders today.
It's a damn shame we got these damn
Right, you got any
newspaper.
horses in there, Walker?
Yeah. I see
Yeah,
one.
I see it.
I see one.
They must be gonna have a horse show or something. What color is he?
Just looking black.
Black.
Yeah.
Damn fancy truck too.
Man, nice. Look at the car I want to get you, Walker. That's on that red Chevrolet. Look, right there in that shed. Would you like to have that?
No.
What would you do with it? What would you do with it?
Just ride up and down the street.
You ain't got gas in the truck now. How would you put gas in there?
Just once a month, so.
That'd be about all.
Yeah, just once a month. Ride it up and down the street.
Horse there today.
Yeah. Most I ever seen there.
They tell me it was Dollar Day.
Oh, is it time for the... No, the light ain't on. The light's not on.
What are they doing out?
I don't know.
Y'all got to turn the fan down or something. And
I'm turning it down. All you had to do is say something, Sue, and I'll turn it down. Well, I turned the thing off.
What do you think about the road and wet, boy?
About the what?
About the road and wet.
The road is wet and it's slick, and I got to be careful. Yeah.
And
I'm being careful.
And
I got to keep my eye on the road.
And
I'm just checking things out, Walker.
And
When are you going to get your driver's license?
I don't know.
And
I don't know.
you don't know. You've got to do some more study. But we got to get a different test, because that damn test that's online is the craziest damn thing I ever seen in my life. There ain't no correct answers on this.
What do you mean?
I mean, there's no answers to the question. Crazy. I'm going to take that down to the highway patrol office and ask them who did this. They are crazy.
Spider knocks away.
Jones.
Big old rascal.
Look at your hair, chicken boy.
You got my hair in the mouth. You guys got my hair fixed.
Cows.
Cows. Looks like our rain might be over.
Might be so.
Yes.
That's a lot of crap coming from that truck, wasn't it?
Yep. It is.
Turn the rifles up.
Still sprinkling, isn't it?
Yeah, still sprinkling a very little bit.
Yep.
Bill still got a few boards to go.
Yep.
This is a pressure wood. All this is pressurized. Shouldn't rot.
Phew.
Walker, I don't think them horses like Bill's rice up here because they wasn't eating, but now they're eating. That Walker make a picture of the horses as we go in.
No picture.
Hey, you can take pictures of horses.
Oh no.
them or are they in the shed?
I don't see him.
There. That tree was raining. Wasn't it?
Yes.
Take a picture of our house going up to it, Walker.
Why?
Because I'd like to see how it looks on film.
Oh my God.
His head. There's one horse, 2, 3.
Honey and Professor West Jasmine Dee Dee.
We're home.
What is up, my YouTubers full of cars area? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And God bless you all. Blue Close out. How?